Boys, I think I found the most viral niche on TikTok and YouTube Shorts right now. I do not say that lightly. This niche is absolutely insane, getting people millions and millions of views. I was thinking about gatekeeping this and doing it for myself, but honestly, I've got like 10-15 pages I'm running at the minute, trying to make some of that Wi-Fi bread. I'm just one man. You know, there's only so much that I can do, so I'm going to give this one out to you lot.
Alright, so what niche am I actually on about? Well, the niche that's been blowing up is the AI POV niche. Specifically, the POV you woke up in like in 1864 as a peasant living through London, or you woke up in 56 BC and your job is to build the pyramids. Stuff like this is absolutely blowing up right now, and it's been blowing up for the past month. I actually told everyone on my Discord server over a month ago about this niche, and actually helped a guy on there blow up his own page in this niche. Point now where his page has generated millions and millions of views. But the reason why I'm making this video a month long is because you can actually expand on this niche so much more. So I'm going to show you how to make these AI POV videos, but instead of just making the history style videos, we're actually going to sprinkle a little bit of sauce on that, and I'm going to show you the viral method on how you can make your own unique videos, because we don't want to follow the crowd of this niche. Right now, the big problem with this niche is that so many people are doing it because obviously they're seeing that it's generating millions of views. So today I'm going to show you how to still generate millions of views in this niche, but with a twist, so that you're not competing with all these other people. See the stuff I've been cooking up in the kitchen, you're gonna want to see it.
Alright, so like I said earlier, we want to sack off the history POV videos. Even though they're generating millions of views, so many people have copied off this niche by now, and so many people are trying to do it, that's going to be a lot harder to break into the market. And I always say this whenever I make these niche videos, I think you should always try and put your own creative spin on it in order to stand out and get those views. So let's talk about how I would transform this niche so we can still capitalize on getting loads of views. First, history POV videos, absolutely, we're not going to be doing those. Like I said, even on pages like this guy, he's done 4,700,000, 2 million, like he's still generating crazy views. You know, we're not just competing with him, we're competing with all of these people that are trying to do these AI POV history videos. So instead, what we're going to do is we want to change the category or the theme, and basically by that I mean instead of doing history videos, we can do superhero videos. So, you know, you could do POV making a new suit, or POV I'm helping the Avengers today, and just you can craft these stories with an AI character and just go crazy with it. You can do Molly May, or like another beauty influencer type of thing, something that a lot of girls would be interested in. You know, day in the life of PLT, which is like one of the brands that she runs with, or POV shopping with Bambi, who's her daughter. You can create these stories and stuff that people still be interested in because they want to see what goes on in Molly May's life, or they want to get a feel for it because people are nosy at the end of the day. You can even do like a famous footballer like Ronaldo, POV it's game day, or POV training for an upcoming match. And you can even take this one step further with football, and you can find out the upcoming fixtures of the next games. You say POV training for the next Liverpool game, or POV training for the next Manchester United game, or something like that. And you can come up with all these little storylines to keep it relevant to your niche. So I hope you get what I'm going on about. Basically, the AR POV history videos are good, and they are still generating millions of views, and you could probably still run that niche and, you know, do all right. But if you want to stand out and actually get views fast, get into that creativity program faster, you know, get into that YouTube Shorts program faster, stand out and do your own niche. So these are just 3 ideas that I quickly came up with, but you know, you can come up with your own. Today I'm going to show you how to do these AI superhero videos, but you can use the skills that I teach you to make these videos to make, you know, the influencer ones, or the footballer ones, or even the history ones if you still want to give that a shot. But we're going to mainly focus on how do you do these videos first. So the first thing you want to do is go to ChatGPT, because, you know, what would we do without this app? But basically, you want to type in a prompt. You want to say, I'm creating a video where I want to show the perspective of, and then this is where you put the person that you're doing it of. Like I said, if it's Molly May, if it's Iron Man, if it's Captain America, if it's a footballer, you know, whatever it is, you put the perspective of Iron Man on his daily life, etc. Can you create me some prompts to generate images for some interesting stories with hooks to keep the viewers interested? And then ChatGPT is going to come up with something crazy. The morning of a billionaire superhero hook. Ever wondered how Iron Man starts his day? It's not all about explosive and alien. Sometimes it's just trying to get out of bed. Image prompt. First person POV of Iron Man's hood. Heads up display as he wakes up, showing loads of batteries. As you can see, it's literally given us the ideas. So it's given us the story ideas for the videos, an unexpected villain, the supermarket struggle, the unwanted side mission, a date night disaster. All cool kind of like side ideas that you'd love to see Iron Man do, or whatever character you're doing. And then it gives us like a starting prompt. Let's say we want to, you know, just do this first one because it's the first one. We can say, can can you give me more prompts for the image generation for option number 1, all including POV in them, and create the full story for this option, include 7 prompts. And then it's just literally going to generate us the entire story with the prompts. You know, waking up like a superhero, you've got a rough start, the suit malfunctions, the struggle of getting out of bed, breakfast with a side of chaos, the suit has other plans, out of the window into action. You know, just something silly. So then what we could do is we can take these prompts that ChatGPT have generated us and actually make the images. So the image prompt is a first-person POV from inside Tony Stark's helmet as he wakes up in his penthouse bedroom. The HUD shows system booting, low battery warnings and pepper calling. The city skyline is visible through massive windows and an empty whiskey glass sets on the nights on. That's pretty cool. So what we're going to do then is go over to Leonardo AI. You've probably seen me use this before in the past. It's just a free AI image generation that I use on all my videos. And then you just basically want to click generate. You want to copy the prompt in and generate. I've had a area. You meant to put this aspect ratio into phone ratio, not landscape. So we've just made it a little bit harder for ourselves. So let me just change the ratio. As you can see, it's generated a sum here as well. What we can also do if you don't like the style, like this is the style that's gone with on this one, I've just changed it to anime. You can play with the different modules and presets just so you can get that look that you want in. Something like this is cool, but I don't know if it looks too AI. I quite like the realistic theme of the history ones, but you know, we'll keep in mind that this is that art style. Have we got like a stock photography? Might be, or lifelike, possibly lifelike version. Let's try lifelike and see what this comes up with us. You know what? I quite like this realistic version. I think this is too AI. People see this on their timelines or the For You page or the YouTube Shorts page and they'll just scroll past it because it's like AI junk. Whereas this seems a little bit more real. I quite like this one for the start of the day, so I'm going to download this image. It's basically pretty simple from there. You just want to copy all the prompts from ChatGPT and paste them into Leonardo, and it's going to do all the heavy lifting for you. Anyways, after a while, you should have generated all your prompts. Some of them are good, some of them are definitely not too good. But you know, if you just keep on generating prompts and keep on changing them up, you're eventually going to get what you want, and you'll have something that looks a little something like this. So next, what we want to do is we want to go over to Kling AI. Now there are a few different AIs that you can use for this. You do get some free credits with Kling. There's also apps like HelloCut AI where you also get free credits every day for using that software. Both do the similar sort of thing, but like if you're trying to do this for completely free, then you might want to swap in between the two. But on Kling, you want to basically go into AI videos. You want to click image to video. You want to drop in one of these images that we've generated with Leonardo. So this is the first one. And then you can actually put in some descriptions of what's going on in the image. So in this one, you know, he's just woken up. I'm just going to let it do its magic here without me telling it to do something, just because I don't think this seems too important for it to have a narrative. I also tried messing around with ChatGPT for a bit because they're getting their image generator better. I had to play around with it. It's not too bad, but I feel like there's some copyright issues here where they can't use Iron Man's actual stuff. So maybe if you're using Molly May or something, you might be alright. But for Iron Man and like IPs that are copyrighted, you probably can't do that with ChatGPT. Kling AI has done its magic here, and as you can see, it's got him moving his hand here. It's generated a bit of motion to the video. This is essentially how everyone is creating these videos that are moving and animating these AI images. They're using software like this. So we just want to go ahead and download that. Then we can just drag in another one of our images here. This one's him up in the air. So you know, you can just type in Iron Man flying POV. But yeah, look at this now. It's literally Iron Man POV flying over a city or something. It's cool. I'm not gonna lie, it's cool that we can just create this whole POV storyline from just a few clicks and some prompts. Like it is really cool. So I'm just gonna go ahead and carry on with this and create a bit more of the story, and then I'll show you how to piece it together. All right, so now we're in CapCut, and basically we just want to throw these images over into CapCut. Super simple. Like I said, you can reposition these however you want, so it looks a little something like this. You just want to put them in basically how they normally go at. Now, I tend to think, you know, 1, 2, 3, POV, day in the life of Iron Man. I reckon this one can last about, I reckon 4 seconds is what you want. You don't want people to get bored. So let's aim for all these to be about 4 seconds long. So, you know, he's waking up, you're flying. Let's make this a little bit bigger. You're flying, and then what's he doing next? He's going to go on his phone because he's bored. He's going to text Hulk or something to see if he wants to hang out. So he's going to text Hulk, and then him and Hulk are gonna meet up for some pizza. Super simple stuff. You can make these stories as advanced or as long as you want. You know, your creativity is really limited here. I'm just showing you what's possible. So then you've got him and Hulk eating pizza. Now I'm just going to zoom in so you can't actually see his face, because that kind of defeats the purpose of POV. But you know, AI doesn't always give you the exact results that you're looking for, but something like this is cool. But yeah, they're just eating pizza at the end. So POV, day in the life of Iron Man. Now, you're gonna obviously add the text POV, day in the life of Iron Man. I recommend you doing this in YouTube Shorts or in TikTok. You want to use these features in the app because they'll actually reward you for using the in-app text features rather than putting them on in CapCut. So you want to add the text POV, day in the life of Iron Man or something here. Now for this bit here, you basically want to add in some sound effects. So you want to add in like a flying sound effect. Now to create sound effects, you can actually go to 11 Lab. You can actually do text to SFX here, and you can just do Iron Man flying, for example, and just click generate. What that's going to do is basically generate as a nice little sound effect. And then obviously when Hulk comes on screen, we want to do like a Hulk roar, maybe not a roar, just like Hulk gurgle sound, something along the lines of that. You know what I'm on about. Finally, after you've added all the sound effects, you want to put like an ambient sound. I've just gone with like a New York City ambient sound effect. That's just going to play throughout the entire video just so that it's not boring basically. And it's going to end us leaving with something like this. Now what I would do as well is I'd add in obviously the text in TikTok, POV, day in the life as Iron Man. I'd put like more text prompts on as well. I'd say flying through the city in this bit, and then for this bit I'd put text in Hulk to see if he wants to catch up or something like that, and then eating pizza with my best pal, something like that. Adding some extra text on the screen just to keep the viewers hooked. And that is essentially how I would create these AI POV videos, and is how I would create them in a way that is, you know, not just the history ones, but actually, you know, a bit different and a bit unique. So if this video helped you out, definitely make sure to subscribe. If you have any problems with this niche, or if you need any help with it, definitely join the free Discord down below and feel free to ask any questions there. But I'll see you all in the next one. Peace.